Okay, so this is the desk for my office. It's just a regular desk from Walmart. And I'm gonna have two of these, but right now I only have one, so I'm gonna put it together and show y'all what it looks like when I'm finished. Mom, you wanna say hi?
Hello.
It's not live.
Oh.
I gotta edit it, but I just.
Oh, it's light too.
Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yes, yes! I would have put this up yesterday. I thought it was gonna take forever. Is you ready? What? In the bottom?
Yeah. What you doing here?
Oh. Like the screws.
No, on the front or to do this.
Oh,
screws on
short
the back.
and what?
Yeah.
Oh.
So you gotta make sure where your paper instruction paper is.
They only gave me this. Is you ready for action? Say my name, say my name. I think this go over here.
This is the day. So
Oh, it's labeled? Don't matter.
it does, like, see the A. This is the A. So if you're looking this way, a C. So go right here, so that's a C.
Yeah.
C's go right there. This is a B. B.
Oh, not over there. This one goes over here. Yay! We're all done. Dang, what all this stuff for? I thought all I gotta do was put a little two screws in. I think this is right. I never had it where they give us that. And then you put it right there. More sturdy. Yeah, that's like good that they do it. And then I'm just gonna put the screws in. My long garbage right there. And yeah, so this is actually really quick.
I would have helped you, girl.
Here is the desk. Y'all remember this candle that Desmond got me for reaching 10K? And then I don't have any of my makeup here, so it looks bare, but I'm gonna show y'all what I wanna do. So I'm gonna have my vanity right here, and I'm gonna have that long shelf that I show you guys when I was like organizing my business and stuff, that video that y'all always see in the background. I'm gonna get another one of those. So I'm gonna have one right here, and I'm gonna have another one right here. And then my other desk is gonna go right here, and this is the background that y'all are gonna see like when I'm doing sit down videos. This is gonna be like my office space. So yeah. Yeah, I have my little pillows. I wanna give you guys updates and stuff when I get the rest of my stuff here, but I don't know. I haven't even bought anything to like decorate for my desk or anything. So I'm show you guys an update in this room when I get my other desk and when I get my shelves in here and like the rest of the stuff. So yeah, here is the before. Okay, so I'm about to start hanging up my clothes. This is my closet. It's kind of high. I don't know how I'm about to do this with this being this high, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna have to get a stepping stool. Desmond right there. He just got back and we just like unloaded the truck. The mirror that I showed you guys yesterday, it's broke. So we're at Home Goods trying to see if we can get a new one or what's going on. So I'll keep you guys updated with that. Okay. Who's ready for the reveal of the new mirror? Do y'all like this one? Do y'all like the old one better or this one? Oh, it's smaller. I don't know if I'm gonna like it for sure in here, but we're gonna see. Okay, so I'm about to hang up these little cute pictures on my wall. And I wanted to show you guys this is the outcome of the wall. Of course, I still have to get like 5 more of these, but this is how it looks for right now, and you guys will see the after. But this is all the canvases and pieces that I had for now. Well, actually I had like a few more, but we ran out of command strips. So I'm thinking about putting like a big silver one right here, a silver one right there, and just add like a little bit more pink in here. So yeah, I need to fill this up, but this is how it looks for now. And yeah. So I got a gold lamp. I found a lamp that I actually really like, but this is just gonna be temporary because this one was like only $8, and we needed something like now. Finally got this mirror. I actually like this mirror way better than the other one. It looks so cute. Thanks to my mom and Desmond, because I didn't really hang it up. The lamp is right here. It's like a bronze gold color. You guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys come back to my channel tomorrow because I will be uploading every day. And go check out my other videos. Make sure you guys comment your website down below and give this video a like. Let's get to 100 likes, and hopefully I'll upload a do-it-yourself video tomorrow. So make sure you guys turn on my post notifications, and yeah.